Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, and today is a bit of a different video. Behind this garage door is my new car. I have it for 2 months now. I drove it 6,000 kilometers in 2 months, but I didn't show it to you guys, so I hope you guys like it. Leave in the comments down below what you guys think of it, and so now I will show it to you because it's here. I'm a bit nervous for it because I like it. I hope you guys like it too. So here is it. So that's about it for the detail shots of the car, because it is still pretty filthy. It's a CLA 200 diesel, so it's not the most exciting engine, but I love the spec of the car, so I'll show you to it. So the car has the LED headlights. It comes with the 18-inch tires, also LEDs in the back. Very tinted windows. It also has the big screen in the car. It has the sport seats in it. It has heated seats. It's an automatic, so 6,000 kilometers on the clock in 2 months, so I still love it, so I'm pretty happy with it. But now it's time for a clean, because of course it's a cleaning channel. So you can see the car has a lot of bugs to it. Also the rims are pretty filthy. The rims are normally the color of the car. Also filth is here, it's kinda everywhere on the mirrors. So so we'll do a cleaning video with it, and I will show you the process. I'm not going to go in depth with it, but I will show you to you guys. Also box on the number plate. So I'm pretty happy with this thing, and I hope you guys love it too. Sorry for the noise in the background, but it is what it is. So a view from afar. I love the color on it. The wheels normally are the same color as the paint. They are painted the same, but you will see it when the car is clean in a moment. So my tools for cleaning wheels: a brush for the tires, brush for the details of the wheels, wheel woolly for the inner barrel, just a mitt, and then this I picked up dirt cheap on AliExpress, and it has some degreaser in it that I spray on the wheels first, and then my bucket over there where I put these in and agitate the wheels, and that's it. So I foamed it in with Maggi foam. I'm going to wash it I'm going to do some atoms in my wash bucket. So it's always nice to see a new car dwelling in foam. I hope I don't have too much wind noise on it, because I don't have a thingy with hair to put on the camera. So the new whip, so you guys can call it. I will have it for about 4 months left. I will have it for 6 months, and after 6 months it will disappear, so another 4 months, and then I will get a car. But in the meantime, this is it, and it will do. I hope I don't have too many issues with the car, but I don't think that will be a problem. So as you can see, I did leave the foam on. I didn't spray it off because for me it's much easier to leave it on. Today I used the Maggie foam. It's pretty thick, so that's not so handy to leave it on because the mid can't contact the paint that good, but it's all okay. The car is not that filthy. I just wanted to clean it up. So in about 6 months, no, 2 weeks, I will go on holiday with the car for 3 weeks and I will drive it about 6,000 kilometers. So I want to protect it and keep it clean very easily. So I want you guys to let me know how I do that the best, how I prepare the car the best for such a long trip. So please guys, leave that in the comments down below. I will appreciate that very much. So that's how she looks when she's clean. So she's dried and she got some fucking airplanes. So she's dried and she's wiped with I lost the name, with a quick detailer from Gion, all the soap from Maggie foam. Always takes a while before it's gone, but now she looks shiny again. So a better look at the wheels. Same paint color as the paint, of course, of the car. She's still leaking a bit, but I love this car. I love it very much. It also drives pretty good. It's 136 horsepower or so, I think, and it's an automatic, so it is a good daily to drive. And also the interior looks pretty good in my opinion. So I'm happy with the car. It's the new detailing time car. I hope you guys love it as well. Leave it in the comments down below what you think of it. Also leave me some tips. On the road trip part of things, because I will take it about 6,000 kilometers through Poland and Germany. So leave in the comments down below how I prepare for that to keep it as clean as possible. So yeah, I will leave you with a few beauty shots of the car. The sun is settling, of course. The old whip is over there. So